Firefox, click on Tools at the top of your screen. Then
To clear your cache in Internet Explorer, click on the Tools icon in your toolbar.
Make sure you're in the Network
Select
tab.
Internet Options,
Clear Now,
and make sure that you're in the General tab. Click on the
Clear your
Delete
cookies
button
using
under
Firefox.
Browsing History,
Click on Tools,
and select Delete
then
Files
Options,
to clear your
and
cache.
click on the Privacy
A
tab.
warning box will appear.
Clear Now.
Click
under
Yes,
the Private
and you've
Data
successfully
heading,
cleared your
and you've just
cache.
cleared your cookies.
To clear your cookies, click Delete Cookies. Select Yes in the warning box, and you've successfully deleted your cache and cookies.